So look at Median. She's going to share out some breakfast for us. And I'm here editing the next vlog. This next vlog got a whole bunch of clips I have to edit, man. Do you see 39 minutes right there that I have to get down? But it's a dope vlog, guys. We got some stuff coming up, you feel me? Some stuff coming up, you feel me? Night vlog, all types of stuff. But y'all see the food? Ackee and salt fish. You know, we have plantain, breadfruit. Watch it. Is it make good on the list? You understand? Good on the list. What you gotta say to them, Senorita? Are you excited for this food?
Yeah, I'm really.
Have you ever ate ackee and salt? You know, that's the national. That's the national.
idea what's that.
That's the national dish of Jamaica.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. It smells really good. So I hope that tastes better.
All right, come on then.
Okay, so
Watch it, the man them even have the hot pepper sauce. Oh, what this, man? Just the Jamaican hot pepper sauce right here, Grace. You see me? Thought you were a professional cook. You need to learn how to share.
I don't have to share.
Yeah.
Ice.
Ice. You may try to be like, you know. You see me?
Ice.
What your man them? Orange juice. My head.
Why don't you
Them brother I live like. You know what I mean? The man them I live large, bro. Man them I live so large. Breadfruit, ackee and saltfish in the morning and. You see me?
Fancy.
Alright, vlog, see it I know. You see me? Ackee and the saltfish, national dish of Jamaica, right? That's it.
Oh, hot sauce.
Mm-hmm.
You know pepper sauce.
Okay.
See this?
share some more?
Breadfruit. Yo,
A little bit
if y'all
more.
going on vacation, I need some catering. You know what I mean? Darling, tell the man if they need some catering, them can link you up now.
Dixon's Catering. Father and son.
Dixon's catering.
Father and son.
Food is excellent there, you see me?
Yeah.
Yes, man, vlog. Out here just, you see me? Taking in the Florida sun. You understand? Big up on yourself. Big up to all of the subscribers, them, you see me? Mad move. Look up on the hammock.
Fish Friday,
you see
Fish
me?
Friday.
Mad move.
Say she have our Fish Friday.
Listen up, vlog.
Where?
Yes, man.
Oakland. Oh.
Vlog girl. Can't take that too long. What you man there behind me there, vlog?
Yeah.
I was about to flip him over. I was about to flip his ass over.
Sun hot?
Yeah, your foot now burn up. Why you there in socks?
Yeah, I'm in socks.
That's
I'm
fine.
fancy.
I'm bougie right now. I'm in socks. I'm in socks.
Hey,
You know,
hey.
we bougie right now.
How am my daughter? Now you will be able to.
It's fake.
Hey. Hey. This Florida. This ain't Detroit. I gotta take some of this with me.
Yeah, man, bring back some of that stuff, man.
Yeah.
Focus on daddy now. Yeah, catch daddy.
Yeah.
Catch daddy.
Lancel, you say pool vibes, you see me? What you man them, man?
You know the fool.
You see me? Mad move vlog.
Yo, give me 1 for that.
Mad move vlog.
Chevy.
Where's it?
Chevy my dick.
Where's it? You want $100?
Give me that.
Which I better? You may I try to be like, you know, tough to the man on the vlog. You see me? Vlog time. Yes, sir, Danny. About to go drop Midian to the wax place or something like that.
Shot me over here, so now.
Big up yourself.
Black truck.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man.
Black. Shot me on the black truck.
Circle sometime, you see me?
Florida, me there.
Florida, eh? There?
I said, hey,
Soon, no.
Chevy, Matic, see me out.
Soon, no, man. Let me see you in there.
Can I feel?
Yeah, man. Alright, so we just got to the place. This place right here looks weird for a wax, but it is what it is. Suite 3. Knock the door. So this is how the place looks. Finally got in. So how was it?
Painful, but
Painful?
yeah.
So would you recommend this place?
Yes, it's really nice.
She's really nice.
The best part
Man,
is
it
that
is hot in this car.
she speaks Spanish. So, yeah. That was good.
So that's the best part? She speaks Spanish?
Yeah, I feel like I was in my country.
So where she's from? Honduras?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah.
Oh, caliente Colombia. Es mi amor.
Want to die.
How do you know the code?
You told me once.
So I tell you one time and you just remember?
Yeah.
That's not okay, señorita.
Why is that?
Because that means that you're a killer or something.
A killer.
Is she sleeping? I try boy, she asleep. She knocked out. Oh, so Lanston is out still. I'm gonna finish. What's it calling? I gotta rewatch this vlog, make sure all the edits is good. And then, you know what I mean? We ain't doing it no other way, you see me? Make sure it's good, and then start uploading it. So hopefully by tonight it can be out. You know what I mean? Vlog number, what is this, number 3 now? It's alright, vlogs. Alright guys, we're about to head to a fish fry. Is it me? So let's go. Fish fry time. Is it me? Mad move. Is it me? We're doing it big today. Doing it for the, yeah. Doing it for the fish fry. Is it me? Yes, man. Is it
So
me?
you not come?
Yeah. It's gonna be vlog what? 4? 4. Vlog number 4. We not played no games around here. Is it me? Fish fry no vlog. Is it me? Watch you catch the scene, man. Take you in the scene, isn't it, guys?
Hi.
I like.
Yeah, for real, man. Actually, catch out there. There's a free promotion. So if I can't make friends something wrong, big up yourself on the video, on the vlog, you see me?
Hey, respect, you know.
Yeah, man.
See next Wednesday,
Yeah.
80.
Alright, big up yourself,
Hey,
man.
thank you, man.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Catch your menu price them now. Mad move. Zeet now. Land sister finally up on the scene. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Yo, so how does it feel being surrounded by so many Jamaicans and Jamaican food?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
I'm learning. Very good, babe. I'm eating really good food and I'm having fun with really good people.
He's gonna go get some goat soup for us over there, you know? Big up, big up, big up, man, big up.
Hi.
Yes, man, watch it. Goat soup, the thing smell bad. This thing smell great, man. Taste test, taste test. So bad, man. How do you like it? Hmm?
It's really good.
You want me to drink it for you?
No, it's mine. It's spicy.
You don't even drink that in Honduras. I'll drink it for you. Just give it to me. How you gonna eat this kind of fish?
I'll try my best.
Yo, vlog, watch this. Curry goat time now. You see how the thing look mad? Let's go. Look at Danny, man. He over there mashing up that food. Look at that. Fish. Yes, man. So the fish are going. It bad?
Better than last.
Alright guys, you don't know enough. We had a blast here. About to head back to the house. Got a party later on. You see me? Big up yourself in the boss. You see me?
No one is
mad move, man.
You can't drink, man.
Big up yourself, boss. Big up yourself, man. You see me? Nice little vibes. Nice little vibes, guys. You see me? Florida is nice, man. Where's the bones? Where's the bones? Where you rate the experience?
Tomorrow.
What do you rate the experience?
Baby.
What do you rate the experience?
It's good. Just continue.
Ready? Alright guys, them ready, you see me? Them ready. So you know, so I have to go down and see nice sunshine, you see me? Alright. Alright vlog, let's go, let's go. Let's go vlog, let's go, let's go, let's go. All the way out this time. Big up on yourself vlog, let's go, let's go. You see my vlog? What do you gotta say to the vlog? Hmm? What do you gotta say to the vlog?
That I love you. Que amo.
So you trying to tell me that you don't love my viewers?
Yeah, I love your viewers.
No, we don't.
Go ahead.
Find out too late. Oh, to stop it.
Are you okay, señorita?
Long cocky na your girl saw long gunman see that. Dog me no worry.
Big up yourself, vlog. Love you guys, man. Alright, vlog, we just getting back to the room. You know what I mean? You gotta be dedicated to the vlog. It's about you guys. Y'all here on the trip too. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, yeah, guys. I still gotta go look over the vlog for today. I need to watch this mug and make sure it's good. Everything is proper. Let me plug in the camera. And then, yeah. We're gonna head out, isn't it? Alright guys, we're ready. We're heading out to this gathering and then a party afterwards. Just lock it, man. Man, I'm loving the low light mode on the Osmo Pocket 3.
Yeah.
This junk is amazing, man. It looks extremely well. Look on the señorita. Alright, vlog. About to pull up to the Cheesecake Factory tonight. Nice little scenes. Watch this. Yes, man.
Me and my big son, kiddo.
Mad move, man. Mad move.
Yeah, my big son, kiddo.
Big up on the self vlog.
Yeah.
That dude over there is a jerk, man. We could have got that spot over there. That spot right over there. He pulled in with a cart.
With him dog.
This place is beautiful, man. Gorgeous scenes.
Closer to the truth to say you can't get enough. You've got to have crazy.
So come on, Cheesecake Factory. We here. Ring first. You gonna pay for it?
Ring? I'll help you pay for the ring.
Eh?
I'll help you pay for the ring.
Oh really?
Familia.
Oh, okay.
Familia.
You hear
My
that?
sister-in-law.
He said he got it. Big money. Well, oh, your time then. Your time. Cheesecake Factory. It's beautiful in here. So we at a dinner right now. Is it, man? Holy people, yes. Zimmer vlog. Non-alcoholic drinks. Non-alcoholic. One Daniel Lance done this. Alright, go ahead, sit down. Oh.
Yeah, the solid too, man.
Look at her with her gigantic cheesecake. That thing is massive.
Coconut cheesecake.
That's the biggest cheesecake I've ever seen.
I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller.
Alright guys, so the whole reason we're here, this guy's sister's birthday. You ready to go sing happy birthday to him?
Yeah.
Come on, señorita, come on, go sing it to her in Spanish, come on.
Of course, I will.
Okay, go ahead. No. Boy. Lance, them are weird fire done there, man. They're praying right now.
Life, good health and strength. As we gather here tonight as family and friend, mighty God, I pray, oh God, that you will bless each and every one that come out tonight to give church that we love, mighty God.
Alright, so here's my food. Pasta with some type of fried chicken. I look for lunch plate. Man, that's it.
Come take some.
Should I get that? Nice patio area. You alright? Look at that. I think it's gorgeous out here, man. Imagine living it right there. It's absolutely beautiful. It's not as beautiful as this woman right here, though. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Beautiful, you feel me? Alright guys, we're gonna try to go head to that party or whatever, link up with my cousin. I'm loving the low light mode on this, man. There we go. Yeah. Alright, we just got to this spot called Donna's. About to go see what's going on in there, guys. Is it, man? So hopefully the vibe is vibing up in this thing. Lancel.